So everyone's acting like meditation is this magical cure for everything. Stress, anxiety, overthinking, bad vibes, you name it, and apparently sitting still with your eyes closed is the answer. But let's be real, if meditation was so easy, we'd all be walking around like peaceful monks instead of stressed out caffeine goblins. The truth is, you probably tried meditating once, got bored in 37 seconds, and gave up. And that's fine, we've all been there. But here's the deal. Meditation doesn't have to be complicated or spiritual or deep. It's just a mental workout. And if you can scroll TikTok for 30 minutes straight, you can handle 2 minutes of sitting with your eyes closed. First things first, forget about clearing your mind. That's not the goal. Your brain isn't going to stop thinking just because you ask nicely. Meditation is about noticing your thoughts, not deleting them. It's like watching traffic without running into the street. The thoughts are there, but you don't have to chase them around. You just sit back, observe, and let them pass like annoying background noise. That's it, that's meditation. Now, how do you actually start? Easy. Sit down, literally anywhere. Couch, bed, floor, park bench, doesn't matter. Just don't lay down unless you're planning to fall asleep because, yeah, that'll happen. Sit, however you want. Just try not to slouch like a tired shrimp. Keep your back somewhat straight, your hands wherever they feel comfortable. And you're already ahead of 90% of people who are still Googling best meditation position. Next, set a timer. Start with 2 minutes. Don't try to be a hero and do 20. That's how you burn out. 2 minutes is perfect. It's short enough that your brain won't freak out, but long enough to feel like you did something. Use your phone, a kitchen timer, whatever. Just set it and forget it. And no, checking the timer every 10 seconds doesn't count as being aware. Now, bring your attention to something boring. Usually, that's your breath. Feel it going in. Feel it going out. Don't try to change it. Don't make it dramatic. Just notice it. Your mind will wander, guaranteed. 1 second you're focused on your breath. The next you're thinking about lunch, your to-do list, or that one embarrassing moment from 8th grade. That's normal. When you notice it, just gently bring your focus back to your breath. No drama, no mental yelling. Just a casual, oh look, my brain wandered again, and back to breathing. Here's the kicker. Your brain will wander a lot. Like, a lot. That doesn't mean you're bad at meditating. It means you're human. Meditation isn't about staying perfectly focused. It's about realizing you got distracted and bringing your attention back. That tiny moment, the I wandered moment, that's where the magic happens. Every time you do that, you're basically doing a mental push-up. You're building awareness, and awareness is everything. Want to get a little fancier? Try labeling your thoughts. When something pops into your head, just mentally tag it like worry, planning, judging, daydreaming, then let it go. You're not diving into it or solving anything. You're just giving it a name and moving on. It's like organizing your mental clutter into boxes without opening any of them. Simple, weirdly effective, and kind of fun once you get used to it. Now, let's talk expectations. Don't expect fireworks or instant peace. Some days, meditation will feel like a brain vacation. Other days, it'll feel like sitting in traffic with your thoughts honking at you. That's okay. You don't have to feel amazing every time. You just have to show up. Meditation is about consistency, not perfection. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Not every brushing session is life-changing, but you do it anyway, because it keeps things from getting gross. And please don't quit just because you skipped a day. Or 3, missing a few days doesn't mean you failed. It just means you're a normal person. Start again. Always start again. Meditation isn't about streaks, it's about coming back. Over and over, that's the whole game. If you like apps, cool. Use one. Headspace, Calm, Insight, Timer. They're all solid. Just don't become dependent on having ocean waves and a soothing voice every time. Eventually, you want to be able to do this on your own. No props, no playlist, just you sitting, breathing, noticing. Like a peaceful little weirdo with a chaotic brain. And if you're thinking, I'm way too restless or distracted to meditate, then guess what? You're exactly the type of person who should be doing it. Meditation isn't for the calm and collected, it's for the overthinkers, the anxious ones, the easily annoyed. It doesn't fix you. It helps you notice what's going on in your mind without immediately reacting to it like a caffeinated squirrel. And honestly, that's a superpower. So yeah, that's meditation. Sit down, breathe, notice your thoughts, don't judge them. Bring your attention back when you drift off. Repeat. You're going to suck at it. Everyone does. But the only way to get better is to keep showing up. 2 minutes a day. That's it, no pressure. No incense, no weird chanting. Just you, your brain, and a little bit of peace. Or at least less chaos. You don't need to overthink it. Just do it. Or don't. But if you're still watching, maybe give it a shot. Worst case, you sit still and breathe for 2 minutes. Best case, you get a little better at not losing your mind every time life gets loud. That's all, you're done. Go breathe or something.